The rear pulley on your belt sander drives the sanding belt and keeps it centered on the sander. The aluminum wheel has flanges on either side that guide the sanding belt. Over time, these flanges can wear away, allowing the belt to drift. Replacing the rear pulley is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the sanding belt from the sander. The rear roller is secured with a screw. This screw is reverse threaded. To remove it, I'll insert a small screwdriver through one of the holes in the side of the drum. This will bind the roller so it can't rotate. Then I'll use an Allen wrench to remove the screw. Once the screw is removed, I'll remove the plastic cover, being careful not to lose the washer, and then I can pull the pulley away from the sander. It can be a little tight sometimes. You may have to work it side to side or even use a screwdriver to gently pry it away. Now I can install the new rear pulley. The pulley is driven by this roll pin. One of these 4 holes on the inner hub need to align with the roll pin. I align it with the pin and then snap it into place. Now replace the plastic cap, the washer, and secure it with the screw. And again, remember, it is a reverse thread. And I can finish up by reinstalling the belt. And that's all it takes to install a new rear pulley on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.